Need auto glass service? Did you know that we come to you? Nacco of Illinois offers replacement or repair at your home or office. Nothing beats the convenience of having one of our professional technicians come to you. Your convenience is our number one priority. Once you replacements or repair, take advantage of our mobile auto glass service so you can go about your day while we perform the work. Since we come to you, you'll save time on travel. Plus, you can enjoy whatever you like to do. Work in the she shed, plant flowers, enjoy lunch with your wife or hubby, pet the dog, or just relax and read a book and enjoy the weather. Ready to enjoy the benefits of mobile service? Schedule an appointment today. Just call 708-479-1000. Don't forget to request your 10% off. Talk soon.